Welcome. 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 My beautiful beings of light. The brilliant etheric light cascades from the celestial realms above, completely wrapping you in divine grace. Feel the warmth as it settles gently upon your shoulders like a favorite old shawl. In your imagination, visualize this shawl as woven from threads of pure gold, while sensing the touch or hand of the shawl as that of soft, luxurious cashmere. This is a divine gift from the Creator, my beloveds. Feel this shawl of divine grace comfort and support you as you journey forward. My beautiful beings of grace, it is once again the moment to tune into your own inner knowing. Yes, it is nice to read and hear about everyone else's journey along with their insights, my beloveds, and even easy for one to listen as they are being told by someone else what will unfold in their lives. However, it isn't your own inner information and thus doesn't fit you perfectly like a glove as your own knowing would snugly do. That is right, my beloved beings of light, you came with your very own inner operating manual, filled with all of your very own most perfect information for your own inner guidance on this journey. It is simply a remembrance exercise to help you recall how to delve within yourself through mediation to access that database that is inherently all of your own guidance to be used for this adventure. Angelic note to self: there are hundreds of books, videos, psychics, and channels telling you all types of information, but not one of them at this point has been written by you, yourself, thus it isn't directly applicable or pertinent to your own journey. You, my beloveds, are interested in reading and pursuing others' views because it is kind of like a treasure hunt where you are looking for clues to confirm or triggers to open and expand what you sense you know or have experienced. Isn't that interesting that you are the only one that can access that database and you are the only one that can remember how to pull it up? The next thing to embrace is that sometimes that insight is only shared one word, image, symbol, color, light, vision of tone at a time. How does that make you feel, my beloveds, knowing that you don't have to compare your own journey to anyone else's? Sure, there may be some similarities with others' adventures and awakenings, but not exactly, because the facts don't belong to you. It is kind of like having something bioengineered exactly to your unique specifications and composition, if you will. It is an etheric chemical fit, so to speak. That is why, my beloveds, for example, the time you picked up that book but simply couldn't make yourself venture past the first pages or so, that lets you know that the material simply was not a match for you personally. You, my beloved beings of light, are that unique. You have your very own unique energy signatures and vibrations. Everything has to line up for you and your vibrational levels for there to be an interest and similar attraction to anything, including other beings. You ask, my beloveds, so what do you do when you need some immediate guidance? The answer, my beautiful beings of grace, is you find a quiet spot for a moment to meditate on the issue or question and listen for the very first thoughts that pop into your awareness. Let's practice and bring a question or issue with you and allow this messenger to take you on a mediation journey. Sit in a chair or lie down, whichever is your preference. It's time to be comfortable and undisturbed for a while as you journey within yourself through meditation. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in and out. Visualize with each in-breath, you are breathing in love and renewal. With each out-breath, you are breathing out pain, fear, frustrations, and doubts. With the last out-breath, feel your body relaxing. Allow and give yourself permission to feel the calm, peace, and serenity of this safe place. My beloveds, ask your ego self to perch on your left shoulder. Instruct your ego self that it is only to be an observer on this journey, it is not to participate. Through prayer to the Creator, please ask the Creator to share with you a translucent golden shield of light. Visualize it all around you, forming a bubble from head to toe, protecting you from all outside influences and giving you warmth, radiance, light, and power. Negatives will simply bounce harmlessly off your shield of protective light. My beloveds, the Creator has responded to your prayer. Your protective bubble has been supplied. The energies for this bubble will continue to flow from the Creator, cycling back down through you again, and back to the Creator in a continuous circular loop while you are in meditation. You are now divinely protected at this moment, and nothing can even communicate with you that is not for your highest good, without your permission. Breathe in deeply, my beautiful beings of light, and sense the lighter, relaxed feelings of being divinely protected and guided into this meditation. Breathe in deeply and know that you are breathing to the pulse of the Creator. Breathe in deeply, allowing, seeing, and sensing within your spiritual imagination your guardian angels and invited spirit guides as they join you now. The angels take your spiritual etheric essence hands and guide you out of your physical body. The angels then direct you into your etheric spiritual heart chakra. An angel is staying with your physical essence until you return from your meditation journey. My beloveds, you are visualizing, seeing, feeling and sensing this within your imagination. Your guardian angels, spirit guides and special invited guests are with you now within your spiritual heart chakra. Your angels and guides are helping you locate the golden door that says to my highest guidance within. In your imagination you have located the golden door and now you turn the etheric spiritual door knob, opening the door as you cross over the threshold knowing that you are on a spiritual growth adventure. You find yourself in a white marble corridor. Your angels guide you down the hall to the first door to your right. The door label says Mediation Room. You turn the doorknob and cross over the threshold. You tell yourself this room oddly enough looks very similar to a room where you live or stay. Your angels tell you of course it does, this is where you come and it will change as you change or move physical locations as you do. The angels laugh uncontrollably. The angels bring you a pencil and a legal pad for you to write on as you find where you want to sit. Your angels ask for the issue or question that you brought to work on. You pull out of your pocket a crumbled post-it note with several words or a sentence or two written on it. Your angels ask you to simply clear your mind. Now read or think about the question or concern that you are wanting guidance on. This will become the intent of the meditation session as you read or think of the issue again in a moment. Before going further, it is time to practice listening to those first thoughts that pop into your awareness before venturing into your actual guidance question. Your angels ask you to close your eyes and then mentally tell yourself something that is untrue. What was the first answer that popped into your awareness as you asked yourself that untrue question? Now try it again by telling yourself something that is true and listen for the first thoughts that pop into your awareness with that truthful statement. What did you hear that time, my beloveds? Your angels are putting your crumbled post-it note on a screen in front of you. You review what you wanted guidance on one more time and close your eyes. This has now set your intention. Your angels are reminding you that deep breathing helps you center and balance, so about 3 or 4 deep inhales and exhales will help you focus your attention on your own breath. The angels continue with instruction for you to think about the guidance question you brought with you once again. Please remember to put all the feelings and emotions involved in there as well. Just quiet your mind and simply allow the stillness to be your friend. Now take 3 to 4 deep breaths as you center and focus, listening for the first thoughts that pop into your awareness as you repeat the guidance question to yourself again. Do not analyze those first thoughts that pop into your awareness, simply write them down immediately, my beloveds. Now, my beautiful beings of light, read what you've written down again. How does the information you have written down make you feel? Part of the process and practice is to help you remember to trust what you are perceiving, which is why you write it down before you do anything else, my beloveds. This will probably seem like a disruption to write the answer down immediately, but understand, my beloveds, that when the conscious mind begins analyzing it, you started having doubts about the validity of the guidance answer that was presented to you. This analytical process, my beautiful beings of grace, is the disconnect that you are working to interrupt. This is your human ego getting in the way of your own divine guidance system. A simply note here, meditation, the angels explain, can be as long or as short as you desire it to be. Perhaps you only need a minute or two to quiet yourself and receive immediate information, or if you have the available time, sit for as long as is comfortable in the quiet interior space of your own inner silence. For the moment, your angels are telling you that you've done very well with your practice and can return anytime now that you have remembered the way. You rise from wherever you are seated and walk back out the door. You instantly find yourself back in the white marble corridor. You catch a glimpse of your glowing essence in the mirror, thinking and reminding yourself how much easier accessing your own information is than you previously thought. Your angels lead you back across the threshold of the golden door within, back into your spiritual heart chakra, and then they assist the return of your spiritual essence back into your physical form. Take a deep breath to help you reorient as you wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. Go about your day remembering that your inner higher wisdom and angelic support staff are always at your service, working with you to help you reach your highest, most appropriate potential. Listen for those first thoughts that pop into your awareness and know without a shadow of a doubt that you are receiving daily spiritual guidance. Beloveds, you are blessed beyond words and loved beyond measure, more than any earth plane language can ever express. I am Archangel Michael, the Creator's messenger of love, joy, wisdom, light, peace, and grace.